Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully complete all that portions for the profile. Right now you can edit this profile, you can update this profile, how you can show some of the notification. I hope it's very much clear to you. Now in this video, I want to discuss about another most important part as a change password option. Okay, first of all, in our menu, into this menu here, I want to add one of the menu link. So that is our my wallet. So that is in our header, right? Let's do that work. First of all, I want to create another view page. Right now we don't need this locking blade, also we don't need this. If you go to our header, that is in our resources, into the resources view, and then body, and that is our header, right? So into this header area, like right now I want to replace it my wallet to the change password. Okay, name it as a change password. So for the change password, first of all, we have to create another view page, right? So now simply I want to do in here, I want to put another route name. That will be the route. I put that route name. That will be the change, and then the password. Okay, change password. Now I want to create that route. So if you want to create it, now go to our web, into this web. After this, that will be on the get method. Better I copy it and then I paste it. So that is it. Everything I want to create it in our admin controller. I have already created that group route, which is totally fine. I name it as a change password. So that will be as a change password, our route name. Our URL, I name it as a change, and then the password. Okay, then that will be the change password. I want to create one of the function. Okay, here I want to create another method. I name it as a change password. Okay, I name it as a change password. Now we have to create that change password method in our admin controller. Now go to our admin controller here. After this, okay, after this I want to create another new one. That will be as a public, and then function, and our method name will be as a change password. Great. And also I will make it as a and method. So that is our and method. And into the change password, I only want to return one of the page. Okay, so then that will be the return one of the view page. So that is our return view. You can see, friend, how much easy, step by step. I hope everything is very clear to you. Now in our admin folder, I want to create another new file as admin change password. Whatever name actually choose, I simply loaded one of the view page as a admin change password. So now we have to create that admin change password in our admin folder. So if you want to choose another folder, you can actually choose it. Right now I want to take it in our admin. Like right now, that is our admin folder. Into this admin folder, I want to create another new file, and now I just simply click as a save as, and now here right now I name it, that will be as admin change password .blade .php. Okay, simply created that page. That page will be just like our edit. Okay, that means the profile edit page. Into the profile edit page here, you can see there is some of the input field. We will need actually the 3 input field. That will be just like that same. Here simply I copy that admin profile edit. I copy everything from this position, and now in our admin change password, here I paste it. Here we don't need any script because they have no images. I simply remove that script, and also our form submitted will be needed. And also for the images, I have already before take 2. Right now we don't need this. I simply remove it, and then better, that is a old. Better I want to simply remove everything. I only want to take 1. Okay, first of all I want to take 1. Our value will be as a change password. I make it as a change password. Okay, I make it as a change password. There is only 1 input field, and also from here I do not upload any images. For the reasons multi-part form data will be not needed, but our CSRF token will be needed. Okay, and also we don't need any jQuery. I simply remove it. Then that will be as a change password page. A change password page. Great. So friend, that page will be now loaded. Let's check this out. Click as a save all, and now if you go, now refresh it. Now if you go to our Kazi, yeah, you can see now there is a new menu as a change password. If you click as a change password, there is edit data in our page. Maybe here I have actually used that some of the value. You can see I have already used some of the value. Right now we don't need any value. I simply remove it. for the reasons it's actually getting that error because it's not getting any variable. Now I simply refresh it again. Yeah, you can see it's now successfully updated as a change password page. There is a name as a change password. So for the change password, we need actually 3 fields, right? As a old password, new password, and then confirm password. So now I want to update it. Like here, I name it, that will be as a old, okay, old password. So that will be as a old password, which is totally fine. And then in our input field name, I name it, okay, I name it as a old password. Okay, that will be as a old password. And type will be, that is one of the password type. For the reasons here, I make it as a type will be as a password. Okay, password. So I name it as a password, which is totally fine. And also I make it as a the password. Okay, I make it as a old password. WORD. Great. So here, the input field, I simply name out the name, our control, that is our one of the class, and type will be as a password type, and ID I name it as a old password. Great. Now I want to take another 2. So another 2 and then another one. Perfect. So now another one will be as a new password. So that will be the new password. And for the new password, I want to name it. I name it as a new password. Okay, I name it as a new password. Our type will be the same. Our type will be as a password type. Okay, and ID I make it as a same name as a new password. Great. Now that is our new one. Great. So now there is a name and then type and then ID. Great. And also another one that will be as a confirm password. I make it as a confirm. Okay, confirm password. So for the confirm password here, I want to add that our field name. Our field name, I name it as a confirm underscore password. Okay, password. Great. So that is a confirm password. I want to put that ID as a confirm password. Our type will be as a password. Great. Now if you click as a save all, now if you go, now refresh it. Perfect. Now that is our old password, new password, and then the confirm password. And then the change password, that is on the submit type. Here all now we have to also work like here. After that, okay, after that bit I want to put some of the bracket. I use some of the bracket, and also want to use another bracket. Now if you click on the save all, now that should be get some of the space. Refresh it. You can see it's now look perfect. Now that is our one of the form, right? When you submit it, that is one of the form as a post method, which is totally fine because that will be one of the post method, because from here I want to update that data, right? Then I want to create another route for this, and that route I name it as a update password. Okay, update password. I simply name it as update password. So that type of one of the route now we have to create, and also that will be one of the post method. And then CSRF token is also here. Now I want to create it. Go to our web. I want to better copy it, and then after that I want to paste it. So that will be on the post method, and our name will be as a update password. So that will be as a update password. I name it as a update, and then the password, and I make it as a update password. Okay, then there will be the update password. So this type of one of the update password method now I want to create in our admin controller, right? So now if you go to our admin controller, into this admin controller I want to create another new one. Then that will be as a public, and then the function, and then our method name as a update password. And that is one of the post method. For the reasons here also you have to pass that request. I want to end it. I have to pass that request and then the dollar request, right? So then the dollar request. Perfect. So friend, I hope it's very clear to you. So right now we successfully design our page, and also we successfully create on the route, and we successfully create on the method. So next video I also want to add some of the validation for this. I want to work in our particular that method area. So how can do this work in our next video? I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.